Hey guys, it's K-Dog back at ya. Today we're going to be trying Mr. Beast milk chocolate bar. I will be rating the Mr. Beast milk chocolate bar.
The package is kicking his ass. Come on,
Okay.
K-Dog, don't let
I'll
it kick
be
your
back in a
ass.
second. Okay.
The candy bar wrapper that kicked K-Dog's ass.
So I had to go get scissors.
So what do you got, K-Dog?
I got a thing that says share.
Look, can I turn it around and see it? Oh, fancy. Share and devour.
So, cheers.
Does it taste like a crisp? Does it have any type of rice in it, or is it straight milk chocolate?
It's straight milk chocolate.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
So 1 out of 10, what do you rate that?
It's solid 7 out of 10.
Can I see the piece that you tore off? Let's see what it looks like on the end. All right, K-Dog. Enjoy your stuff, bro.
Bye.
Give me a thumbs up. All right.